Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here with Erin.
It's me again.
We're gonna try this so you don't have to waste your time, you don't have to waste your money. We're gonna try different popcorn seasonings on our microwave popcorn, just to change things up, add a little zazzle to your at-home popcorn. What do you wanna start with?
Let's start with the pumpkin.
Pumpkin pie spice.
Smells pumpkin-y.
Okay, and then did we spray it with a little oil?
Yeah, we sprayed it with a little oil.
You could use oil or butter spray or whatever you wanna spray it with. That's tasty.
It is tasty if you like pumpkin.
You know, it's really good and it's a little savory. I would maybe even sprinkle a little like sugar or like Truvia or Swerve or something. Make it a little sweet.
Yeah,
but I like
it's
that.
like pumpkin pie popcorn.
Okay, next we are gonna try something sweet. This is Girl Scouts S'mores Seasoning Blend. Yeah, it smells really chocolatey.
They had a thin mint one too. I didn't get that.
Okay, that's amazing.
What? Oh,
This is
yum.
so delicious.
Oh my god. What a treat.
That is really delicious.
The freeze-dried strawberries.
Okay.
Make sure we get some powder.
Well, that's fun.
Oh, I love
Look at
that.
that. This is beautiful too. Let's try. Ooh,
my
I love the
God.
tartness.
Me too.
It's like strawberry shortcake popcorn.
And I like when you get a little chunk of berry.
This would be really good with white chocolate chips too.
Oh my god, I love it.
Nutritional yeast, that is something vegans use instead of parm.
Ooh.
Yeasty. Doesn't taste like much.
It's pretty good.
It's a little like umami. Okay, next up we have just cheddar cheese powder. Well, look how orange that is.
It's very.
Go for it. Oh, look at that. All right, here we go.
Oh boy.
That's better than the nutritional yeast.
Might be my favorite of all.
That's totally yummy.
I feel like these were all good in their own way.
Success. Yeah. If you have other ideas of things that you sprinkle on your popcorn, write it in the comments section because we're always learning and we're always trying new things.
Bye.